how do you attract the dream job?
Yeah, so it depends on the person. I would give them a process. I would really ask them, what do you really want? I'll ask them a few times, what do you really want? And I'll let that question sit for them. They might take a few days to meditate on it, or a week, but that will calibrate their consciousness, their spirit into answering that question. So then, what do you want? And fill in the qualities. You could even use a to-do list of what you want in a dream job. What is a dream job to you? How much money are you making? Maybe a question. If money is not the issue, then what is it about that dream job? Is it the type of people? Is it the quality of work? Is it the environment? Really be specific. The more specific you can be, the more your reticular activating system in your brain focuses on those characteristics. It's best to use your handwriting. And once you get a list of like 10 to 15 things, qualities, descriptions of what you truly want in this job, then you're going to plant a seed, an imaginal act. You would close your eyes, count from 10 to 1, drop down, remove this whole awareness of five sensory awareness, dropping the whole environment, and planting into that implication that you have your dream job. So, some anchor points. Anchors are basically key points, key scenes that create that checklist. Like, this is done, this is done, this is done. So let's just say you have your dream job. You'd be talking to your friends like, oh yeah, my dream job's amazing. Or something about the wallet. Like, oh, I have ID on this job now. Or you could use these bracelets and use it as an anchor and say, oh yeah, I got a job in marketing and it's really good, it feels really good, it's my dream job, but it's really natural in your self-talk. So you're looking into something anchoring. It could be a watch, it could be something that you anchor so then you're playing it out over and over again until it's natural. So even the feeling of a cloth or a shirt buttoned down or a leather couch, something that plays into your future, that's probably going to be there once you have that dream job, or is very likely to still be there. So you're creating this loop, you're making it natural, you're feeling the end, the feeling of the end, the feeling of the dream job being fulfilled, and creating that scene. So really, it's a combination of pinpointing that scene. What does it take for that scene to be created? Do you need a ring if you want to get married? Or if you have a check stub for the certain job or a bank account direct deposit? Is it something as an ID where it shows you got this new job? It could be a text message from your friend, text message from your dad or mom. All of these are just suggestions, but it's the process and really being true to yourself. What do you want? What do you really want? Ask and you shall receive. Connect into that true self and that connection of what you truly want. Ask yourself that every day, and if it becomes unclear for a few days, really remove the things that aren't working for you. Always check in and tune into the qualities of what you want, your dream life, your dream job, your dream relationship, whatever it may be. Make lists, create the visualization scene over and over again. Best thing to do it is right before you sleep. Do it when you wake up. Create that, use affirmations or subconscious audios, write it down, create that loop so then it becomes natural and automatic as if it were here. If it were here, what would happen? What would you feel like? And feeling is the secret. You tune into that feeling, the universe's vibration, you're a vibrational being. That's how I would manifest for that person. I would go through that process.